Tuesday. I've picked out 3 tongue twisters. Each one will say 3 times. We start out slow and get faster as we go. Here we go. 2 tried and true tridents. Second time, a wee bit faster. 2 tried and true tridents. Here we go now. Third time, as fast as we can go. 2 tried and true tridents. All right, time for my second one. Fred fed Ted bread, and Ted fed Fred bread. Isn't that nice, the sharing? Second time through. Fred fed Ted bread, and Ted fed bread. Oh dear, I think I messed up. Well, that's why we're practicing, right? Third time, as fast as I can. Fred fed Ted bread, and Ted fed bread. Wow, we're doing it. Third one. Lesser leather, never weathered. Weather, weather, better. This one is definitely the hardest. Lesser leather, never weathered, wetter, weather, better. Third time, try to say it with me. It's going to be fast. Lesser leather, never weathered, wetter, weather, better. Woo! Can you believe that? We did it. Join us again next Tuesday on Tongue Twister Tuesday. Bye-bye, apple pie.